Hey everyone, welcome to Java Jam. In today's video, let's learn the history of Java. Have you wondered who introduced Java, when, how, where? To all these doubts, I have the answers. Once upon a time, in the early 1990s, a small team of engineers at Sun Microsystems, led by a man named James Gosling, had a dream. Oak could make different electronic devices talk to each other. But the world wasn't ready for Oak yet, as the internet was taking off. So in 1995, Oak transformed into Java, named after the team's favorite coffee. Java was designed to solve a big problem, that is, how to make a code that could write once, run anywhere. Today, Java is everywhere, from powering Android system to gained cooperative systems. Here is the small summary of the video. To this question, drop the answer in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.